Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to check your graphics card on Windows 11. There are two options to do this, and the first option is to go down to your taskbar and right click on it. Select taskbar settings, then go ahead and select task manager. You can make this full screen, and then you're going to switch over to performance. Under performance you can see GPU and GPU 1. Now, the first GPU is the integrated GPU and the second one is the dedicated GPU, and depending on your PC, you can have a look at any of them. The first one is the Intel R UHD graphics card and the GPU one is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti. The second option is to follow your keyboard shortcut, Windows and R, and you're going to type in DXDiag, that's DXDiag, and press OK. And after a few moments, this will pop up, and this is the DirectX diagnostic tool. Now, it has several tabs up here. As you can see, just as in the other method, display 1, it's the Intel UHD graphics, and you can see more details right here. And for the display 2, you can see NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.